Hello everyone, how to so back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called AI video editor Vidma AI. So AI video generator and music video editor, basically like if you want to get some AI effects and music video editor, so this is the perfect one for you. So like if I talk about this app, then you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5 and 57 megabyte size of the app and 1 crore, it means 10 million plus people already download this app. Like how it looks like it's like other video editing application, but you'll get the feature here. It's really easy, and you'll get here 7 plus video effects, so like a fire, snow, rain. So there are a lot of feature effects here, and video overlay, you can also overlay the video. 50 plus popular music, also you can get the copyright free music here, and 30 plus cool transition and speed ramping. So there are a lot of things here, like it's really easy to use. If you have the basic knowledge about video editing, then you can use it, but to be honest, it's not totally paid. Like you'll get the 7 days free trial, then you have to buy the premium package. So I'll create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorials. So give free to know more, and see you in the next video.